Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to test your vehicle's fuel pressure. Today we will be testing the fuel pressure in a 2008 Chevy Impala using the EverTough Fuel Pressure Test Kit available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store as a part of our Loaner Tools program. Procedures may vary depending on your vehicle and fuel pressure tester, so be sure to read the instructions for the tool you're using before getting started. Check your service manual or other resources to find your vehicle's ideal fuel pressure. If fuel pressure drops at any point during the test, it could mean issues with the fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, or other components, and will require further fuel system diagnosis. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park in a well-ventilated area and wait for your engine to cool. Open the hood and find the Schrader valve on the fuel rail. Remove the valve cap if equipped. Determine the fitting that will allow you to connect the fuel pressure tester securely to the valve and thread it into place. Turn your ignition switch to the run position without starting the engine. Check the pressure reading on the gauge and wait 5 to 10 minutes with the ignition in that position to make sure the fuel pressure is holding steady. If pressure has remained constant and your vehicle can still be started, make sure the hose and gauge are clear of any moving parts. Turn on the engine and let it idle. The fuel pressure should remain within a few psi of your vehicle's recommended pressure. Once the engine is warmed up, slowly give it more throttle. The fuel pressure should rise as the RPMs increase. Turn off your engine and wait for it to cool. Disconnect the tester and put the cap back on the valve. Close the hood, and that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or at O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.